How to get a Schengen visa. Do you keep on thinking about it but don't want to do the work? I tried packing for a trip to Europe, but apparently just dreaming about it doesn't get me a Schengen visa. Lucky for you, I've done all the hard work, Googling, scrolling, and stressing, so you don't have to. Today, I'll show you the easy steps to get your Schengen visa and the countries where it's easiest to get approval. Let's get right into it. But first, make sure you hit that like button because by the end of this video, you'll be daydreaming about your next European adventure. Also, if you don't hit subscribe, you might accidentally apply for the wrong visa and end up in Antarctica instead of Paris. No pressure. Okay, first things first. What in the world is a Schengen visa? It's not some complicated secret society thing. The Schengen visa is your golden ticket to 27 countries in Europe. Think of it like the VIP pass to explore France, Italy, Spain, and many more, all with one visa. But unlike your favorite buffet, you need some paperwork first. Before you pack your bags and start practicing your best bonjour or ciao, let's break down exactly how to get this magical visa. Okay, now here's a little secret. Some countries are way more chill about giving you a visa. Number 1, Lithuania. Lithuania is like that super nice friend who always says yes to your plans. It has the highest visa approval rate. Next up, we have Estonia. Another laid-back country, small, charming, and known for being visa-friendly. And last but not least, we've got Finland. Yep, the land of saunas and reindeer. They're also cool with granting visas, no sweat. But if you're applying through, say, Germany or France, you might want to triple-check your paperwork and get ready for some extra questions. No hard feelings, Germany and France, we still love you. Now let's talk about the most important part to apply for a visa. Documents you need. Now here's the part where we talk about what you need to actually get the visa. First up, a valid passport. Obviously, unless you're trying to time travel. Next, you'll need a visa application form. Speaking of looking good, you'll also need 2 recent passport photos. No selfies, sorry. You'll also need travel insurance, which is not expensive and is actually super important to have anyway. And to prove you're not going to be sleeping on park benches, you'll need proof of accommodation, hotel booking, Airbnb confirmation, or that one friend who swore you could crash on their couch. And finally, they want to make sure you can actually afford all that delicious European food. So you'll need proof of funds. Just some recent bank statements will do. All right, you've got your documents ready, now what? Getting your Schengen visa is as easy as ordering a pizza. Okay, maybe not that easy, but it's close. Step 1, remember those nice countries we talked about? Pick one and apply through their embassy or consulate. Step 2, channel your inner tech wizard and fill out the visa application form online. Step 3, time to book an appointment at your nearest visa center. Warning, this is the most boring part of the process. But hey, at least you can catch up on your favorite podcasts while you wait. Step 4, gather all those documents, organize them neatly, and bring them to your appointment. Show up on time with a smile. And finally, step 5, wait patiently. This part's like waiting for pizza delivery but takes a bit longer, about 15 days or so. And that's it. You're all set to embark on your European adventure. Easy, right? Well, now that I've saved you hours of frustration, you know what to do. Smash that like button, subscribe for more travel tips, and share this video with that friend who thinks applying for visas is rocket science. And hey, if you're already daydreaming about sipping espresso in Italy or hiking in Switzerland, I've got even more videos to make your trip epic. So see you in the next one.